Hello everyone, I'm Leah from Superlaser, and now I will give you the training of HIFU. So first you can see for our HIFU, you can have the 2D handle and the 3D handle, and this is 4D handle. This is 5D handle is for vaginal treatment, and this is liposonics is for body treatment. And the first, I can show you about this. Mostly we use this handle. So 1.5 and 3, and also the 4.5 is mostly used for the face treatment. Also, if you need for the body treatment, we can choose from the 6, 8, 10, 13, and 16, the millimeter for the body treatment. First, you will receive this pencil for we do the lines for the clients. And first, we can ask the clients open the eyes and look at us. Here you can see between his eyes. Here we have the 2 center lines. So we can first and the second here. Okay. Then we can match these dimensions as like this. So you can see this is for the line here, and another line is here. Another line here. Also a second one here. 抱歉啊，头上磕了一下，别说成了。Okay. So between here, from the forehead, in the center of the forehead and the nose, and due to the mouth, this center part, we can't do the treatment. 打个叉。This and this no, this no. Okay. Then we try first the left side of the face. Okay, we can touch here at the bones. You can touch here under the bones. We can do a line into here, into this ear. We put a finger here, so the line into here. This part we can't do. And here also we touch and try to the bones. So start from here into there, and here 1 finger distance. Okay, and no. And ask the clients here, we touch with bones. Until the distance we already signed here. Okay, and 2 fingers distance from the mouth. So here. And another here. These 2 parts we can do, and essential we can't do the treatment. Then we can use this cartridge to match the distance. Okay. When your client's face is very small, maybe only has 2. This part, it is normal. Okay. This part all okay. This part all okay. And now we start for the eyes part. For the eyes part, we do like this with 1 finger. Okay, and we can start for the X45 grade and the 45 grade. It's okay, it's okay. Here is no. Finger. Okay, so one line here, 45 grade, 45 grade. Okay, okay, here no. And some clients may ask you do a little part of this. It can do. Try to touch. Okay. And sometimes maybe your client will ask you do the treatment about this part. This part we can do, but it depends. For example, you can touch if the client here has a less collagen or the less fat on this part. I don't recommend we do the HIFU treatment. If it is normal, yes, of course we can do it. Just like we do 2 fingers after the eye, okay? Yeah. Fingers. This part we can do, and this part we can do. For this part, forehead and also around of the eyes, we use the 1.5. Okay. And for this part, with more fat, we use the 3, the 0.5. When you receive the machine, when you access the system, you will see it has a professional and to get the 2 modes. This one is for who is very professional or who already have the experience on the HIFU. And this one, you can see the system will teach you each part where we can do. We here, enter. And here you can see we already connect 3.0, and here is a 3.0. Okay, this is the total shots of each cartridge. This is how many shots left. Okay, and this is wise. You can see the pitch. Down spacing, and this is a lens. When you do the small part, you can use this less lens and the clearance. The first treatment, we can recommend the customers to do the max width, and this pitch we set 1.0 and the length 25 millimeter, clearance 1.0, and the energy we test from 0.4. Okay, if the customer has already the experience of HIFU, we can start from 0.6 or 0.8. After we setting all the parameters, we can do the start. First, we do this part of the clients. For this part, we need to use 2 cartridge, 4.5 and 3.0. First, we use a 0.5 to do stamping and the slide twice, and the 3.0 stamping and slide twice. If some customers want the better results, we can also use the 1.5 another twice time. Okay. Before we do the treatment, we need to use the ultrasound gel. So you can choose any kind of the ultrasound gel. Put some on the face. First, the 4.5, and we use this cartridge to put the gel cover all the parts. Okay. And remember to tap a little hard, not like this. Between here, we don't need head distance. It must like this, okay? And we need match this line. Remember, this part is where to comes out the shorts. Okay, so we need to like stamp, 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 stamp. We need to press this. You can see the blue light is turned on, and then we press here. Okay, then we stamp the second part. We do it again. After we do the stamp for the all parts, okay, like this, and then we need to do the slide. The slide is like we hold the handle, press, and we can press the second time. After we do the 4.5, we need to use 3.0. We need to turn off the machine before we replace the cartridge. Here. The second part we use the 3.0 to do like the same, to use the stamping twice for all the parts, and then do the slide once for all the parts. When we want to change the cartridge, we need to turn off the machine. Back, and we'll take off the cartridge and change the new one. To connect the handle, you can see here, and we do like this. Hold. You find here and here. Out. Okay. And turn on the machine. This is for eyes and also for some small part of the whole face. And this is frequency. It means when we press this cartridge, how many shots comes out one time. This 1 Hertz means only comes out one sport at one time. If we do 2, 3, 4, means when we put one time, it comes out like 4 sports. So for our beginner, we use for 1 Hertz, and the energy we still choose 0.4 or 0.6.
When it's working, it will be like this, just 1 point.
First, when we do the customer's eye parts, we use a 1 Hertz and 0.4 energy, and we press the standby. One thing remember, before you press the standby, we need put the gels, and we need put air already on the eye parts of the clients, and then press the ready, start working. When we start do the treatment, we do like this. And if some customers want the eye skins more lighter, we can do like this. This cartridge, we will give you, for this handle, we will give you 3 cartridge, 4.5, 3.0, and 1.5. So it means we should start from the 4.5 from the deeper layer of the skin. Then we use 3.0, and then we use 1.5. For example, 4.5 for the eye parts, twice time, and then for this eye part handle, you can see when we pull down here, and has the 2 lines here, 1 lines behind. So we check inside 2 lines, 1 line. We match, we pull down and match.
Okay.
When we need to take off, we need to put down.
Okay.
We change with the 3.0 twice time. If here the skin is very thin, so we can start directly from 1.5.
Okay.
Handle is for the vaginal treatment. We will give you 2 cartridge. One is 0.5, another one is 3.0. So to take off the cartridge, we slide to left. When we need to put on, you see here and here. So we press. Okay. If the cartridge, it will do like this. It's empty and without the water inside. And also you will receive this back, the paper. So you just need to put water, fill
Pure water.
the cartridge, and press. Okay.
No leaking water. It's finished.